Sorry about the lack of an intro on my professional quality videos. I just make these to show a friend. It's an easy way to show him. I wanted to talk about whether this weir is in control. I thought it was. I found out otherwise. Right now it is. Right now I'm just using that little, it's in the back. That little back there. 170 gallons an hour as delivered up top and measured. Okay, I've got the weir running high at this, pretty high at this level of the tank. And you can see I marked the difference in height between those flow rates, right? Here, I'm going to pause this. So that's 170 gallons an hour. Let me plug the other pump in and increase it to 430. Okay, yep. I gotta open the valve. You'll probably get seasick here. Okay. Now, I'm flowing 430 gallons per hour through there. Let's take a look at the weir. Still in control. Let's look at the running water height in there. Very nice, way down there. Hard to tell with the camera, but about 2.5 inches down. Skimming as good as it's gonna skim with 430 gallons an hour. Let's look at the running height. Right on the 430 mark, and look, it's just above, just a tiny bit higher than the 170 gallons. Okay, sorry, I'm going to pause this and have both pumps running. Okay, that's both pumps running. Now the flow rate's 430 plus 170 as measured over the rim of the tank. I don't know if you can notice, but the water height on the inlet slots to the weir is a little higher. The running depth of the weir, higher. Running nicely, by the way. The water's falling about 1/2 inch into there. I'm getting optimal skimming. Look at the running height. Right at the rim, edge of the rim of the tank. Look at the change in height between 170 gallons an hour and 600. Very, very, very little difference in the running height of the tank, right? But that's only because I've got the height ring. Let me try to focus this stupid thing. I've got my adjustable weir set to run really high. That ring was cut from one of those caps, and it slides up and down. The weir is in control at this water running height in the tank. What happens if I lower the running height? Will the weir still be in control? I say no. We'll find out.